these areas in here, there's a nice little gap running here. Cockroaches love to sit inside these areas. It's an area so that their top of their body, the bottom of their body, and one side is touching something. They love that. So we're going to introduce the product inside of here as well. Now we come into an area of concern. This is the soda machine. Now, just like the area down below where you may have some syrup spillage, we run into the same situation up in here in these heads. So usually just pop these up, do a cursory inspection. Right here we have some spillage right here. The syrup is glistening right here. You see the moisture. Great place for a foraging roach to come and eat. Once he finds this, he'll make his way through the bottom into this section right here, and they'll actually nest in that compartment. So we want to eliminate this as a harborage area. Great place for Detour. Also in this space, it's protected by those covers. It's not going to get water inside, not going to get dust inside, not prone to extremes in heat and coolness. So that material right there is going to last a long time. So that's one of the areas where one application lasts you about a year. So now we're underneath the counter where the soda machine is, and we got the supply lines underneath here. You see there's a lot of syrup spillage on the surface of the counter down below. Also spillage on a lot of the lines. And that's perfect area for roaches to come in and eat. It's also a nice area for rodents. When they come in, they'll forage and they'll come around these areas too, because sometimes they're dripping. So we're going to put the Detour on these lines back here, and a little bit up here on this, and also that the water supply line on top of the pipe. Now the nice thing about the Detour product is we don't have to have a pristinely clean surface. The fact that it's got a little bit of syrup actually helps our product, makes it a little more attractive to the cockroach.